మీరు చెప్పండి, మీ పేరు మీద వచ్చింది మొత్తం, మీ ఇద్దరి మధ్య అమ్మాయికి సమస్య అనేసి చెప్తుంది. అసలు ఏం జరిగింది ఏంటి అసలు మీరు ఆ, అమ్మాయి వాయిస్ రికార్డింగ్ మొత్తం అన్ని కూడా బయట పెడుతున్న పరిస్థితి ఉంది ఇప్పుడు.
Whatever she has put the allegations on me and my brother, I've already submitted the proofs to the cops, and recently she again texted on 24th July. I have submitted that also, and they are taking the legal action against it. That's all I want to say, because we have not done anything wrong. My family, we never met her, we never, seen her in real. So I don't know who is she, why she is doing that. And recently she got connected with those people who are criminals, who stalked me, who stabbed me in 2020. So for me, being a girl, I advised her not to be in touch with those people, but still she did that. So for me, she's one of them and she's a criminal for me. And I really don't want to say anything against her, but everything will proceed legally, and that's all I want.
అంటే మీరు ఒక బీయింగ్ ఏ లేడీ, అవతల కూడా లావణ్య ఒక లేడీ, తను సఫర్ అవుతుంది, పోరాటం చేస్తుంది. మీకు ఎట్లా అనిపిస్తుంది తన పోరాటం గురించి? పర్సనల్ గా ఎట్లా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు? అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం మీ ఫ్యామిలీ నుంచి, అంటే ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు మూవీ, అట్ ద సేమ్ టైం ఫస్ట్ కాంట్రవర్సీలో స్ట్రక్ అయిపోయారు. సో ఫ్యామిలీ నుంచి ఎట్లా ఉంది సపోర్ట్? మీరు ఎట్లా పర్సనల్ గా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు?
Yeah. Actually, I feel very bad that this has happened during my first Telugu film. But literally, we can't control people. I'm sure she must be going through something, and that's why she did that. But I have nothing against her. The only thing, she has done a lot of damage to me, and she has put false allegations on me and my family, and that is very sad. I really feel bad that how people portray other people without even meeting them. And my family is very simple family. They belong to Himachal. They live a very simple life. They don't know anything about cinema, and still they are suffering. And there was a point when my father told me, leave this cinema and come back. That day I cried a lot. But finally he started supporting me, and he said that it's okay, we are with you, and we'll support you, because you are right, you have not done anything wrong. And definitely my family, my mom, dad, my brother, they all are supporting me. And definitely the truth will come out, people will know what is the truth. And I don't think these kind of things affect a lot, because at the end your work speaks a lot. And I just want that you guys go to theaters, watch this film on 2nd August, and support our film, because it's a beautiful film. And I just want your love and support. That's it. And especially from Telugu cinema, it's my first Telugu cinema. Please, please, please support me.
फर्स्ट इन पहले सिनेमा डेब्यू करते हैं, ऐसे ही बैड एक्सपीरियंस टीच लॉट ऑफ लाइफ लेसन्स देन सक्सेस टू.
Right.
Welcome to the Tollywood and
Thank
Telugu cinema.
Thank you so much, Andy.
Yeah, so I would like to know how important is your character to the Tirugabadana Swami, and how important is this film to you?
ఈ ఫిల్మ్ చాలా చాలా స్పెషల్ సినిమా ఫర్ మీ, బికాజ్ ఇట్స్ మై ఫస్ట్ తెలుగు ఫిల్మ్. అండ్ నా క్యారెక్టర్ నాకు చాలా ఇష్టం. ఇట్స్ beautiful character, and it's very different from my real character, because I'm a person who's very composed and very calm. And in this film I'm playing the opposite. I'm very hyperactive, and I'm the person who takes all the initiative in the film. And you'll see a lot of shades of my character, because she's doing fights, she's doing a family life, and she's doing a lot of ruckus in the film. Because of her, a lot of things happens, and the story revolves around her. So this character is there from start to end. You will see me throughout the film, and I literally feel that I'm blessed to have such a great presence in my first Telugu film.